Do you believe that Tesla stock will be able to bounce back from the recent decline anytime soon? At the moment, it is trading at about $180, and it's likely that it will stay below $200 as the year draws to a finish. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is convinced that the EV company shares will skyrocket soon. Keep watching so you don't miss this knowledge. It is a known truth the wealthy businessman Elon Musk has recently been focusing most of his time and energy on his current Twitter venture. This caused Tesla investors to express their concerns about Musk losing focus on Tesla. Musk can be recalled claiming that he sees a possibility for Tesla to be worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined during the Q3 earnings call. Nevertheless, experts have their concerns considering Musk's latest movements. For a while now, Tesla investors have been worried whether Musk will be able to focus on the company despite the Twitter disaster. Musk's work in the EV firm is significant as he is believed to be Tesla's architect. Musk's presence is enough to comfort people who have invested in the company because they believe in his vision and his pledges to change the automotive sector. Musk stated that soon Tesla cars will be able to drive themselves. The latest versions of Tesla Full Self-Driving, or FSD, the company's advanced driver assistance technology, allows the car to undertake various maneuvers on its own. However, we are still far from autonomous driving, even if Musk promises a fleet of autonomous Tesla vehicles around 2024. Musk also takes pride in the Tesla Cyber truck, which is expected to arrive in mid-2024. With this, Musk will have challenged all the facets of the pickup truck. This futuristic vehicle is one of the most anticipated cars of the last decades. If you think you're interested in developing some of the most advanced technology in the world that's going to really affect the world in a positive way, Tesla is the place to be, Musk remarked during 10 Tesla's second AI Day in late September. To do this, but Musk must be present at the helm of Tesla, directing everything. Without him at the lead, many investors question that Tesla can do it. That said, Tesla's price has dropped in recent months as Musk focused on social network Twitter, which he acquired for a stunning $44 billion after a 6-month breaking struggle that left Tesla in the background. Tesla stock is down approximately 51% in 2022, but the major decrease came after Twitter's takeover attempt on April 25th. From January 1st to April 22nd, the penultimate trading session before Musk's offer was published, Tesla's stock lost barely 5% of its value, but since then it's been a true tribulation. Tesla stock is down 48.2% since, which represents a drop in market value of around $510 billion. In line with that, Tesla investors and enthusiasts have been beseeching Musk to stop wasting time on Twitter, as most are growing increasingly frustrated with the billionaire CEO's distractions. Many are appealing to Musk that while he is distracted with Twitter, Tesla's woes are mounting up as top executives depart China to help scale up the Texas facility, as well as possible margin loans for the CEO adds more risk to sinking stock. Elon Musk's bankers are considering Tesla's stock-backed margin loans to rescue Twitter, which is under significant interest. Expensive stock-backed margin loans are a popular way for billionaires whose money is tied up in stocks to get some cash. While a company may be worth $100 billion on paper, if all that money is tied up in stock like Tesla, it doesn't mean that there is any cash to spend when that happens and the company is in need of cash. Banks can give loans backed by their stocks. If the stocks go down to a predefined level, they have to sell to cover the loan. Elon Musk has utilized this financing vehicle multiple times with several $100 million loans back to acquire Tesla's stock over the years to finance his $44 billion acquisition of Twitter. Tesla-backed loans were reportedly considered, but Musk ended up selling billions of dollars worth of Tesla stock instead. The rest was covered by investment partners and $13 billion in debt, which is reportedly resulting in $1.2 billion in annual interest costs. However, this is putting a lot of pressure on the company's financials, and now Bloomberg reports that Musk's bankers are considering Tesla-backed margin loans again. According to Bloomberg, a privately held financial software data and media company, Musk's bankers are considering providing the billionaire with new margin loans backed by Tesla Inc. stock to replace some of the high-interest debt he layered on Twitter Inc. However, the plan is not yet finalized and the loan amount remains unknown, but the discussions have reportedly focused on replacing a $3 billion loan at 11 interest. According to another Bloomberg report, Elon Musk's inflammatory tweets about politics and memes have driven some Tesla investors to sell their shares. Investors witnessed their investments melt day by day, which prompted many retail investors to implore Musk to take an interest again in Tesla, which he disregarded for many months, much to investors' delight. Musk, for the first time in months, posted multiple posts on December 8th regarding Tesla team has done absolutely well despite extremely difficult conditions. Could not be more proud of them, Musk posted on Twitter on December 8th as experts and fans questioned the demand for Tesla automobiles in China, a major market. In another tweet, Musk presented an explanation for the dip in Tesla stock. Macro Conditions are challenging, the billionaire businessman provided as a reason for Tesla's stock slide: energy in Europe, real estate in China, and crazy Fed rates in USA. A little later, he tweeted that he was staying on the board of Tesla and SpaceX's space shuttle company, but had good teams in place. At each of the companies, basically, Musk is delegating and not micromanaging as a way to respond directly to critics who feel he has abandoned Tesla in favor of his new Twitter venture. I continue to monitor both Tesla and SpaceX, but the people there are so outstanding that often little is needed from me, Musk tweeted, although Musk tweeted more about Twitter that day than the couple of messages he posted about Tesla for investors. That's already a big change from the past few months, as Musk had limited his tweets about Tesla in recent months. His tweets then were extremely minimal, with just occasional messages confirming the release date of the latest version of FSD or confirming the date of an event such as AI Day. There are also one or two response messages to investors asking about the share buyback program. Other than that, Musk was no longer doing what he had in the past, publicizing Tesla's achievements instead of notifying about things to come, which definitely caused a stir among Tesla shareholders. Still, Tesla has a lot of plans in place that will allow Tesla to thrive amidst challenges in the stock market. Tesla has significantly ramped up production in all of its factories, including the new plant in Berlin and the Gigafactory in Texas. Because of this, the company's revenue has significantly risen as well. In August, Musk said Tesla could build 10 or 12 new Gigafactories to reach his goal of making 20 million cars a year by 2030. The billionaire businessman hinted at plans to expand Tesla's network of gigafactories as the company aims to meet his ambition to build as many as 20 million electric cars a year. He said that Tesla might be able to announce the location of a new factory later this year, addressing stockholders at the firm's annual meeting. Billed as Cyber Roundup 2022, Musk said that Tesla was on track to achieve a production run rate of 2 million vehicles by the end of this year. Ultimately, we will end up building, I don't know, probably at least 10 or 12 Gigafactory series. Musk said at the meeting they will really be Gigafactories, aiming for output of between 1.5 to 2 million units per factory. Musk said, according to Musk, manufacturing will be Tesla's long-term sustainable advantage over its rivals in the struggle to dominate the still fledgling electric vehicle market. Tesla stock indeed has a price evaluation which has never made sense, but Tesla fans have always believed in Elon Musk's vision. Over the last 5 years, shares of the company have skyrocketed more than 2,300%, but the stellar run hit a pause this year, as is the case with many exciting and high-flying growth stocks. Logistical issues surfaced, which proved to be a huge roadblock to Tesla's success. Still, Tesla has a strong growth profile, with revenue and earnings projected to soar by double-digit percentages in its current year and next. That said, experts believe that Tesla is a solid long-term investment option at current price levels, based on its market leadership, progressively broadening global operations, and new product developments that promise to take it to dizzy heights in the coming years. Investors should look at the metrics that tell the long-term story of Tesla's growth path. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to enjoy more Tesla stock content.